How to organize Instagram posts. Instagram does not allow you to freely drag and move posts around on your profile grid, but there is a way to change the order of specific posts by using the Pin to Profile feature. This allows you to place up to 3 posts at the top of your profile so they appear first when someone visits your page. To do this, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile, where you can see all your posts arranged in the order you originally uploaded them. Scroll through your posts and find one that you want to move to the top. Tap and hold on the post and a menu will appear. Select Pin to Profile. Once you do this, the post will be moved to the top of your profile grid, above all your other posts. You can repeat this process for up to 3 different posts. If you pin multiple posts, they will appear in the order you pinned them, with the most recent pin appearing first. If you want to change the order of pinned posts, you will need to unpin them and then repin them in the order you prefer. To unpin a post, tap on it, select and choose Unpin from Profile. Once you unpin a post, it will return to its original position in your grid. This method is useful if you want to highlight specific posts, such as an important announcement, a recent achievement, or your favorite photos. That's how to organize Instagram posts.